In this lesson, we are going to remove objects from a selection set. You may want to remove an object from a selection set simply because you accidentally selected it, or it might actually be the most efficient way to select the objects. For example, I would like to select every one of the circles in this part except for the one in the center. I can accomplish this through multiple selections, but it can be accomplished quicker by selecting all the circles and removing the one that I do not want to select. I'll press Escape to deselect all of the circles and start again. This time I'm going to use a crossing and I will just select all of the circles. To remove an object from your selection set, click on it while holding the Shift key at the keyboard. It's also important to make sure that you do not click on any of the grips. So I will hold the Shift key at the keyboard and click on the circle. You can actually see the little minus sign next to my crosshairs indicating that I'm removing it from my selection set. When I click, as you can see, it's deselected. So once more to recap, just simply hold Shift at the keyboard, select objects to remove them from your selection set, and then you can go ahead and apply the appropriate modify command. That concludes this look at removing objects from a selection set in AutoCAD.